Welcome to Be Free Driving School. I'm Wendy, and on this video I'll be giving you an introduction to UK road signs. There are three shapes: rectangles, circles, and triangles. Triangles are warning signs, alerting you of hazards ahead, such as roundabouts, crossroads, and traffic lights ahead. Signs that give orders are circular. Red circles are negative orders and tell you what not to do, such as no overtaking, give priority to oncoming vehicles, and no right turn. Blue circles give positive orders and tell you what you must do, such as ahead only, turn left ahead, and mini roundabout. There are two exceptions. The give way sign is an upside down triangle, and the octagonal shaped stop sign. It is important that these signs are easily recognisable even if they are covered in snow. Rectangle signs give information. Although there are other colours, the main ones are blue, green, and white. Blue signs give information, such as one-way traffic, no through road for vehicles, and all the signs on motorways are blue. Green signs give directions on primary routes. White signs give directions on non-primary routes and also give general information. Let's have a look at signs that look similar but have different meanings. The red circle tells us what we must not do, so no cycling. The blue sign tells us what we can do. So if we are a cycle, we can use the cycle route, which is for cyclists only. These speed signs look similar, but the red one tells us we must not drive faster than 30 miles per hour, which is the maximum speed limit. The blue one tells us we have to drive at 30 miles per hour, which is the minimum speed limit. The blue circle tells us we must proceed in the direction of the arrow. And the blue rectangle is an information sign for one-way traffic. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you never miss out on future videos. Bye bye.